Hello and welcome to today's video, where we'll be showing you how to anchor a gazebo on grass. Whether you're using your gazebo for outdoor dining, entertaining, or just relaxing, it's important to make sure it's secure and stable. In this video, we'll be taking you through the process of anchoring a gazebo on grass step by step. First, let's talk about the different types of anchors that can be used to anchor a gazebo on grass. There are several options, including auger anchors, screw-in anchors, and stake anchors. The best type of anchor for your gazebo will depend on the size and weight of the gazebo, as well as the type of grass you're anchoring it in. Once you've selected your anchors, it's time to start installing them. To do this, you'll need to dig holes for the anchors to be placed in. Next, it's time to secure the gazebo to the anchors. To do this, you'll need to use a strong, durable rope or strap that is appropriately sized for your gazebo. Make sure to tie the ropes or straps securely to the anchors, taking care to ensure that the gazebo is centered and stable. Finally, it's important to regularly conduct safety checks of your gazebo and anchors. Start by checking the condition of the anchors and the ropes or straps, making sure they are in good condition and that they haven't become loose or damaged over time. If you notice any issues, repair or replace the anchors or ropes as needed. And that's it. By following these steps,